Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to send a PNG file in WhatsApp. If you want to send an image in its original PNG format, make sure you use the document option instead of sending it as a normal photo. So let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Now open the chat where you want to send the PNG file. Tap on the paperclip icon. Then tap on Document. Now browse and select the PNG image that you want to send. Once selected, tap on Send. You may notice a dark background on the preview screen before sending the file. After the file is sent, it will appear in the chat as a document. You should also see the file name ending with PNG. This means the image has been sent as a PNG file. If you send the image directly from the Gallery or Photos option, WhatsApp may send it as a regular image instead. In that case, it may not be sent in its original PNG file format. That is why you should always use the document option when sending PNG files through WhatsApp. So this is how you can send a PNG file in WhatsApp. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.